Hey guys, it's Jen. I am back from maternity leave. I'm so excited to be back and doing makeup with you guys. I'm going to take you through some of my everyday essentials. These are my go-tos, including some new products as well. And if you're a mom like me, these are going to be your ride or dies because they're super helpful and they don't take a long time to use. They just make you look and feel your best instantly. All right, now this first product is my foundcealer. Love my foundcealer. It's my moisturizer, my serum, my foundation, my SPF, my concealer, everything in one. This is all you need, and it makes your skin look so dewy and fresh. Since this is my own, I'm just putting it directly on my skin because I'm the only one using it. I'm also taking the Quickie blending sponge, and I'm just gonna buff this in. Watch how it just transforms my skin. All right, just look at that. Look how refreshed, hydrated, and even my skin tone looks. I love this so much. I don't have time for all those steps. I mean, I got like 5 minutes to get ready. You just saw how easy this was. Even if you just put this on alone, you got all your skincare steps covered in one shot. So, all right, next I'm using our Amazonian Clay Blush in Exposed. I feel like this is just like such a warm, neutral shade. I just kind of sweep it on. I do the smile, check, and then blend it out. And it just gives my cheekbones a little bit more dimension. It makes them pop. But I also use it to contour out a little bit. Look how pretty it looks. It just looks very natural. That's what I want. This next item is our brand new Lash Smoothie Mascara. It's like a green smoothie for your lashes. And you know what that does for your skin. That's what this is gonna do for your lashes. Now, this brush is really unique because I don't know if you can see it from here, but on one side right here, I'll put it against my skin. This side right here is shorter bristles. That's gonna deliver the volume. You're gonna tease that into your lashes, and then you're gonna flip it to this side, the longer bristles. That's what's gonna deliver that volume and length and that curl. Watch, I'm gonna apply it and you're gonna see it delivers literally a 25% increase in volume and a 40% increase in curl. It's incredible. You're gonna just see it happen before your eyes. I'm not using a curler, but what you're not seeing either is it's infused with hemp seed oil, castor oil, avocado, kiwi, coconut, and baobab. So it is literally just delivering all these good for you ingredients, nourishing, hydrating, and conditioning your lashes. All right, now I'm gonna flip it to this side and watch. It combs, it separates, they never look clumpy or cakey. They just look so fluffy, natural, and wispy. All while nourishing and hydrating. Now, this little puppy, along with another one I'm going to be showing you shortly, they're both available on QVC right now with free shipping, and they're duo, so you get 2 of them. And I think you get 2 of these for $30 on QVC right now, so head there now, don't miss out. We just launched 3 new shades in our Maracuja Juicy Lip family, so I'm going to be using the new shade Guava. I love these. The winter is here. It is so cold. Actually, I don't know if it's winter yet. Is it? Or is it still fall technically? I don't know, but it feels like winter. It's cold. My lips are getting chapped. This is so hydrating. More than half of each tube is filled with emollients, not waxes or any fillers. They're so hydrating thanks to our Cushion Comfort Complex. It instantly smooths and softens the appearance of any fine lines on your lips and makes them look so much more plumper, fuller, and more youthful. Watch. I love these. And they're packed with so many good for you ingredients. This is the Guava shade, and what I've been doing is mixing it. So I put this one on first, and then I just put a little bit of the shade Papaya over. It's a little bit of a warmer shade. I love when the two are mixed, like the shade it gives me. So I'm just gonna do like 1 coat of that. How pretty does that look? Each one of these is infused with maracuja, grapeseed, acai, acerola, goji berry, blueberry, pomegranate, watermelon, strawberry, cranberry, peach, and vitamin E. They are just so nourishing, powered by the best ingredients that Mother Nature has to offer, and I just love how they feel. All right, now the last thing I want to share with you is our brand new Big Ego Root and Brow Camo Kit Duo. You can get 2 of these on QVC for $32 right now, but I want to talk about this because this one's a big one. So since I had my last baby, I had him 4 months ago, my hair has been falling out at a rapid rate, especially around my hairline, and I always constantly wearing my hair up. So that's why I've been wearing headbands a lot and just trying to keep my hair more camouflage because I want you to see. This is where my hairline was, right here. And look how far back it's going. It's frightening. So I'm gonna demo this for you so you guys can see. It comes in 5 shades. I'm using the medium brown shade, and I'm just picking it right up just like this. just like so. And I'm gonna softly just blend it right in, camouflaging that bald spot instantly. So whether you have grays, thinning hair, or a receding hairline like I've got going on right now, where it's just like totally bald right here, pick this baby up. It's amazing. You are going to love what it does. It instantly gives you that confidence back that when we lose our hair, we lose that confidence. We feel insecure. We feel like everyone can see it. This instantly takes 10 years off your appearance like that. Look at that. I just filled that in. Look how natural it looks. And it's also infused with mineral pigments that reflect like the way the natural light hits your hair. It does the same thing thanks to those mineral pigments. It's moving with my hair. It's not like a matte, flat looking spot on my head. It just blends in so naturally. And it's also powered by Amazonian clay. So if you're gonna sweat, maybe you're gonna get caught in the rain, you don't need to worry. It's not going to budge. It's gonna stay on for 24 hours and it's waterproof. So that right there just gives you the confidence, knowing you can go out there and this baby isn't gonna budge. It also includes this little angled brow brush, so I'm gonna pick some of that up and just fill in my brows. Very softly and naturally, creating natural hair-like strokes, just like so. And again, waterproof. Your brows aren't going to move, they're going to stay put, and it's going to look like real hair thanks to those mineral pigments and Amazonian clay. I don't have time to do my brows either the way I used to. I would spend hours, and now I'm like, good enough. And there we go. All right, covering back up that area, but thank goodness I have that in, so if I do take my headband off, I'm good to go. And being a new mom, my hair is always up in a ponytail. That is like my signature hair look. I feel like that's every new mom's signature hair look, so your baby doesn't pull your hair. So when your hair is receding and you're going bald, it just crushes your confidence. It makes you just feel so insecure, and this is a great and easy way to get that confidence right back. All right, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. This was super fun. I haven't done a vlog. This is my first one I've done since I'm back, so many more to come. Let me know in the comments section below what other vlogs you want to see or tutorials you want to see from me. I'm happy to do it. Missed you guys, and I'm so happy to be back. Mwah.